construction zone, you could start coasting to 60 here. Just let it coast, so that you don't get the fines are doubled in the construction zones.
Right.
You're at 60, perfect. Be nice when they're done. It's been a couple of years now.
Oh God, yeah, don't remind me. I'll admit I haven't been driving down here like that many years, but like it seems like it's always here. All right, and into that thing.
You got it. Signal right before you enter the ramp, and then once you're on the ramp, then you don't need that on anymore.
Right. Excellent. It's already on, I guess.
Yeah, it's fine. Just want to get your speed up to 80 here. You got 150 meters before you need to merge. And this lane also comes to an end, so you can merge into the next lane. Good. Yeah, all of this used to be the slag dumps there back in the 80s.
Oh. Yeah, I think I've seen pictures.
It was cool. We used to park the vehicles on Friday nights and watch the show. You feel the heat off the mountain.
Definitely sounds entertaining.
Yeah, it was. It was our form of entertainment before the computers. Counterintuitive when you're taking corners, instead of slowing down for them on a highway, they're long enough that you can actually press the gas to keep it at 80.
Oh.
See, right now you're 11 kilometers under the speed limit.
I'm just used to like my mom telling me to like slow down on corners.
Is that right? Okay, all right, okay.
I'll work on the habit, I guess.
Yeah, just keep it at a constant rate of speed, so you're not impeding any traffic behind you. Yeah, it's a lot nicer now. It's all like black here. So now you see the white car approaching behind you.
Yep.
And you're at 70 a little bit too soon here. The 70 begins up there. So
alright.
Yeah, keep it to 80 until you get to closer to the 70 sign. Then you start, you're at 70 now, so you just keep it at this speed here, you're fine. And then we're okay in this lane to continue over to the ramp.
Yep.
Staying close to the white line so you don't end up in the wrong lane here with traffic passing you. Sharp loop, eh?
Yeah.
There's a shoe in the middle of the road.
Well, how did it...
I wonder where the other one goes. There's always just one shoe.
So, are you just a driving instructor, or do you run like any of the driving tests?
No, I don't do the exams. Just instruct. They keep us separate, so a whole different thing. You can't be one. You can only be one or the other, not both.
Huh.
Because of conflicts of interest, potentially, if a friend is going for a road test.
Accelerate.
Good, you're at 60, that's good. And we're heading back to your place. See if this guy comes to a full stop for the red light or not. No, see, he's still rolling.
Anyway.
So we have to come to a full stop behind the line. That's the law. And then we can proceed with caution. Looking for a train too. Just kind of scan far left, far right before you go over the tracks.
And we seem to be good. No. Honestly,
Looking.
it's been, I think I can count on like two hands how many times I've actually seen like a train on that tracks.
I haven't seen very many there for some reason. Yeah, it's not a very busy track.
Either that or it goes when I'm asleep. I don't know.
You're at 50. Oh no, you're at 60. There we go. Now you're at 50. And the guy behind you is going to follow us too close here now. But that's okay. You never know, by doing the speed limit, you might be saving the guy back there from getting a ticket.
I'm a hero.
And 40 begins in the whole area. It's kind of slow. And then you get those 30 zones there. That's like, oh my god, that's like torture.
Yeah, I think most people do not go 30. They're on.
Careful here. Speed camera. If you don't need the gas, keep your foot over the brake. So in case you do need it, then your foot's already there, ready to use it. When you reach 40, you just kind of ease off. There. Yeah, most people don't do the speed limit. It's just one of those things, I guess. Human nature.
Yeah.
So I hope that was helpful for you.
I think so. Did I do all right on like the fake test or whatever?
Yeah, absolutely. It wasn't a test. I was just kind of showing you. What they expect.
Right.
But I will test you though on your 5th hour.
You know what? I'll take it.
Yeah.
I would really like to pass this test.
Yeah, for sure. I think you're going to do just fine. Like from what I'm seeing now, you're a good driver. So
Thanks.
just need time behind the wheel just to get used to it. You know, being on the road with other crazy drivers.
Yeah.
That truck that passed you, you know, on the wrong side of the road, and
My life flashed before my eyes. I think that's the first time something like that's happened to me, honestly.
there you go, with your driving instructor, of course, eh?
Yeah,
Jeez.
better than if it happened alone, I suppose.
Yeah, things are going to happen. And then you just signal right before you pull over. Right on? Yeah, good job, Alan.
Thanks.
So before you go here, I'll get your signature.